Our today's topic is percentage. Percentage means per hundred. It is a way to express a number as a fraction of 100. For example, we can say that what is 25% of 200? What is 25% of 200? So 25% means 25% is equal to 25 over 100. So in the next step, we multiply it with 200. We multiply it with 200. So now we simplify it. 100 times 1 is equal to 100. 100 times 2 is equal to 200. After this, we multiply 25 by 2. It will become 50. So 25% of 200 means that 50. If we take another example, we can say convert 40% to a fraction. Convert 40% to a fraction. So for this, 40% is equal to 40 over 100. So 0 cancel by 0. Then we have 4 over 10. So both these numbers are divisible on 2. So we divide both numbers on 2. So when we divide 4 on 2, we will get 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is our answer. Now we take another example. We just say that we can say that write write 4 over 5 as a percentage, as a percentage. So for this we have 4 over 5 multiplied by 100. So 4 over 5, we have 4 over 5 multiplied by 100. So 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 20 is equal to 100. Then 20 times 4 is equal to 80. So 80%. We can say, we can write 4 over 5 as in the percentage form, that is 80%.